Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Manychat to help you grow your business and connect with your customers even better. With the help of chat automation, you can even drive more sales and conversion through your Instagram, WhatsApp, or even Facebook Messenger. So nowadays there is a lot of people who already have their own chat application. Most of them probably use WhatsApp or maybe Instagram DM in order to communicate either with each other or with businesses that they are buying from. And in order to help your business grow even more, you can use automation on your chat application. And you can do that with the help of Manychat. If you scroll down on manychat.com, you'll be able to find some of the apps that they can integrate with. First, they have Instagram DMs, and then they also have WhatsApp and then Facebook Messenger. So you can choose on which channel you will want your automations to be. Now, before we go into the real things, I'm just going to show you the pricing real quick. So they offers you three kind of plans. The first one is the free one. It's literally free. You don't have to pay anything per month. And then you have the pro plans with $15 per month. And then they have the premium one, which is totally customizable. So you can just talk to Manychat salesperson and then tell them what are the things that you need for your business. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to find all of the differences. For example, for the channel access on the free plan, you can only choose between Instagram DM, Facebook Messengers, or WhatsApp. Meanwhile, with the Pro one, you'll be able to choose between Instagram DM, Facebook Messengers, WhatsApp, SMS, text messaging, and email. And the channel access that you can get on the premium one are the exact same thing with the pro one, but they do have different key features. And you can pause the video if you would like to read this, or you can just go to manychat.com/pricing and then take a look at the differences. Now that we know the price of this platform, we're going to go ahead and start creating our account. So go ahead and click on Get Started on the top right of your screen. Now you're going to want to choose on where or which channel you would want to create this automation in. You can choose Instagram, you can use Facebook Messengers, or maybe WhatsApp or Telegram. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click Instagram. Now you're going to want to connect your Facebook, because as you know, Meta now are connected to Instagram as well as to Facebook. Next, you're going to want to add your email address and then verify it once they send you the verification email. Alright, once you've verified your email, you're going to want to answer some questions. So the first one is, what type of company do you work for? I'm just going to say that I work for a business company, and then I work for marketing, and it's just a small company consisting of 2 to 30 people. Next, we're going to want to connect into our Instagram. Since I've already connected my Instagram into my Facebook, Manychat is going to automatically read the Instagram connected to that account. So I already have my account right here. And if this isn't the account, the Instagram account that you want to connect to, you can always click this connect another account, and then they're going to bring you into Facebook, and you can connect your Instagram through there. I'm just going to continue with the one that I have. Now that we got our account created, since we have not yet created our automation, obviously Manychat is going to guide us throughout the way of the automation creation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to choose what will start the automation. Will it be comments or posts on Reels, or will it be direct messages or story replies? And then you can see that they also have a tag on which one is the most popular. So here, for the comments on posts or Reels, the automation will automatically reply or DM when someone comments to your posts or Reels. Meanwhile, for the direct messages, it will automatically reply when someone sends you a DM. And for the stories, the automation will send DM if anyone replies to the stories. And for me, I'm going to choose this direct message. All right, so this is how it looks like so far. It says here that when users send a direct message, they're going to get an automation chat on their DM. And you can edit the content of the text by clicking on this box right here. And you can also choose on the time when you want the DM to be sent. So this one is sent within 24 hours window, or you can also choose comment reply. I'm just going to stick with the within 24 hours window, and then here is the text, and you can totally change it if you want. So for example, I'm going to say hi, first name, which is going to be the name of the person who DM'd us, and then thanks for contacting us. For price list and reservation, please click the link below. And here you'll be able to add your link. If you would like to change the link, all you have to do is click on this box right here, and then go ahead and add the URL that you want them to be directed to. And you can even change the button title. For example, I want to say click here, and you can totally add some more. Maybe if it's going to be a button for some tutorial video or something, you can say click here for tutorial. I'm just going to say click here for now, and then go ahead and click on done once you're done. And you can also add some more text. As you can see, after wait for 3 seconds, you can send the second text if you want, but if you don't want to, all you have to do is click on this X right here, and then this one's too, so you can only send first things right here. And if you would like to add some more, all you have to do is choose from these options down here. So for example, you want the delay to be just 1 second, you can just setting it like that. And then maybe you want to send an image, you can go ahead and click on image, and you can either insert URL or upload image. So let's say that I want to upload just some images, this one's for example, and then you can go ahead and add some more step if you want. All you have to do is click on this plus sign, and then you can choose whether you want to add a new trigger, or maybe you want to let AI to handle the conversations for you. But this feature is only available for the Pro plan, so we're just going to skip this one for now. Now let's settings on what happens if someone replies to your story. So you can actually still connect it to the exact same action that will happen if someone sent a direct message, but this automation can be setting to only appear if a specific words or reaction is created. So for example, I want the keywords to be price list, and then booking and reservation. So the chat, which is this one's right here, will only appear if someone says this words right here, which is price list, bookings, and reservation, right? And then all you have to do is click on save. If you would like to see how the automation looks like, all you have to do is go to preview, and then you can see that the automation is working. Once you're ready to set your automation to live, all you have to do is click on set live, and then you will get the automation live on your Instagram. And that's basically it. That is how you can use Manychat to create an automation for your chat application. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.